Natural Life Clothing Review. Pricing: explain what you get for your money. If you love boho-inspired fashion, Natural Life clothing may have caught your eye, but most people get this wrong by assuming their affordable prices mean less quality. Let's break it down. Natural Life offers t-shirts, hoodies, dresses, and accessories with whimsical designs, ranging from for most items. The prints are often hand-drawn, and many purchases support charitable causes, which adds intangible value. Shipping costs vary depending on your location, usually to within the US. What you get: trendy, comfortable apparel with unique designs, eco-conscious production methods, and occasional charitable contributions. What you give up: premium fabrics or highly durable stitching. Some customers report that certain items can fade or stretch with repeated washing. Here's how to evaluate value. Step 1. Check reviews for the specific item you want. Step 2. Compare sizing charts. Natural Life uses standard US sizing, but fit can vary. Step 3. Factor in shipping and potential customs fees if ordering internationally. Step 4. Decide if supporting a brand with a mission aligns with your values. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore fit and material considerations. You may love the style but be disappointed in the longevity. The surprising truth is that paying slightly more for certain prints or fabrics ensures better wear over time. In conclusion, Natural Life clothing offers more than just apparel. They provide style, fun, and a socially conscious brand experience. Just manage expectations around material, longevity, and sizing, and you'll find the money spent is worth it.